Use zippered, bite-proof mattress and pillow encasements rated for bedbugs to stop infestations from spreading. Choose encasements made from tightly woven fabric with a certified bite-proof zipper and a full wrap design that covers seams and tags. Measure mattress and pillow dimensions carefully and buy encasements slightly larger so the fabric is not under tension, which can cause small tears. Install encasements by zipping fully and smoothing out wrinkles so there are no gaps where bedbugs can hide, and mark the purchase date so you can track how long they have been in service. Leave encasements in place for 1 to 2 years because bedbugs can survive months without feeding and you need to outlast their life cycle. Launder all sheets, pillowcases, and any removable mattress toppers on high heat that meets fabric care guidelines to kill hitchhiking insects and their eggs. Combine encasements with targeted steam treatments on seams and edges and frequent vacuuming of bed frames and nearby baseboards to remove live bugs and debris. The most common mistake is buying non-rated or loosely woven covers that allow bedbugs to bite through or crawl in, so always check for a bite-proof zipper and a stated bedbug rating and return substandard products. A second problem is removing encasements too soon after an infestation, which lets surviving bedbugs escape and reinfest. So plan to keep covers on for 1 to 2 years and only remove them at the end of that period or when you replace the mattress. A third issue is relying on encasements alone without cleaning surrounding areas, so supplement encasements with washing bedding on hot, regular steam along mattress seams, and vacuuming once a week until you see no live activity. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources related to non-chemical bedbug prevention and encasement selection, so we make finding help easier. We also host a discussion community where users and contractors exchange practical tips and experiences about products and installation.